A thought can change our mindset. Now I would like to call upon Liaquat to say today's thought.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Liaquat from grade 9 Jasper. Today's thought: talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. I repeat it again: talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. Thank you.
It's better to know what's going around us. So now I would like to call upon Joel to come onto the stage and say today's news.
Happy morning everyone. I am Joel from grade 9 Jasper. Here brought you news. Russia attacks with intercontinental missile on Ukraine for first time. Sport news. Match number 67, Telugu Titans versus Bengal Warriors. Telugu Titans won by 2 points, and let's support them with our spirit. Thanks.
Asking questions can stretch our mind. So I would like to call upon Manishankar to check your GK knowledge.
Happy morning to everyone. I am G. Manishankar of grade 9 Jasper. Today I am going to ask GK questions. Question for 6th grade. The deepest sea in Earth. What is the deepest sea in our Earth? I repeat my question. What is the deepest sea in our Earth? You did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Dead Sea. Question for grade 7. Who is high flyer in PKL? You picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Pawan Sherawat. Next question for grade 8. Where red spot is located in our solar system? I repeat my question. Red spot is located in which planet of our solar system? You did not pick the right option, and the answer is Jupiter. Question for grade 9. Who is record breaker in PKL? You picked the right option, and the answer is Pardeep Nalar. Let us appreciate them. Who is the CEO of... Question for grade 10. Who is CEO of Tesla? You picked the right answer, and the answer is Elon Musk. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a
They
good day.
play a crucial role in our life. So now I would like to call upon Navadeep onto the stage to say some speech about our parents.
Happy morning everyone. I am Navadeep of grade 9 Jasper, here to tell speech on parents. Parents are the one who guides you, who supports you, who teaches you everything. And parents love you so much. Don't misuse love of your parents. And I would like to conclude my speech with: parents are the one who sacrifices their lives for you. Thank you.